So we have to explain octet and duet rule. So what is octet rule? A stable arrangement is attained when the atom is surrounded by 8 electrons. This octet can be made up by own electrons and some electrons which are shared. Thus an atom continues to form bonds until an octet of electrons is made. And when the atoms of different elements combine with each other in order to complete outermost shell having 2 electrons, in case of hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, boron and helium, right? To attain stable nearest noble gas configuration is known as duet rule, right? When atom want to gain stability to complete their valence shell by gaining 8 electrons, then it will follow octet rule, and when it will complete by gaining 2 electrons, then it will call duet rule, right? So if I take an example, CO2, right? Now if I draw a Lewis structure of CO2, central atom will be carbon and oxygen will be here, right? Now if I write the electronic configuration of carbon, then it will be, for carbon atomic number is 6. So electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, as it has 4 electrons in its valence shell, right? So to complete their octet, what carbon will do? It will gain electron either by sharing or transfer of electron. So it will gain electron by sharing with oxygen's electron, right? So it has 4 valence electron. Carbon has 4 valence electron, right? Now in case of oxygen, oxygen has 8 atomic number, so its electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, as it has 6 valence electron, right? So it has 2 electron to gain stability, to gain octet. So what oxygen will do? It will share electron with carbon, right? So oxygen has 6 electron, so I have draw these 6 electron by dot, denoting by dot, right? Now what we will do? The carbon wants 4 electron, so it will share with oxygen, it will gain with these 2 oxygen, right? And oxygen wants to gain 2 electron each, then it will gain by sharing, right? Like this. Now as much electron pair will be shared, the bond will form. So here you can see 2 electron pair are sharing, so double bond will be formed. So carbon double bond oxygen, double bond oxygen. So this is a structure, right? So the shared electron fulfill the valency requirement of both the bonded atoms, right? Now if I talk about duet rule, so since the first shell can only accommodate 2 electrons, elements such as lithium, helium, beryllium, boron and hydrogen, which obeys the duet rule instead of octet rule, right? For example, if I take example lithium, right? So lithium can lose an electron to have a stable configuration in which the valence shell holds 2 electron. Means if I write an electronic configuration of lithium, then what we will do? 1s2, 2s1. As you can see here, valence shell of lithium has only 1 electron, right? So it can lose electron to gain stability, right? So the valence shell has 2 electron if it will lose 1 electron, right? So hence we can conclude that Hence we can conclude that here in octet rule, element or atoms tends to have 8 electrons in its outermost valence shell, right? And in duet rule, atom tends to have 2 electrons in its valence shell, right?